Hello guys, today is Friday. So ito, at nandito yung mga crew namin joining for Pisces leader. Yan. So with two female crew. Yan, second engineer, master, third mate. No? So anyway, from here going to port around 45 minutes. Kaya medyo babiyahe kami sa ngayon. At hopefully safe yung biyahe namin. At so based on the information, vessel will go alongside today around 10 o'clock, no? 10 a.m. So guys, at eto, mapapalaban na naman yung crew natin sa yan, isa sa mga bagay na talagang kailangan nilang gawin talaga. So mapawalay sa pamilya para masustain yung pangangailangan ng mga pamilya, no? At sila yung mga crew namin, ex-crew na kilala na. At ayun, medyo mabibigyan ng importansya. So anyway guys, so dito na at andito na yung agent namin na pinipick up na kami sa ngayon, going to vessel na kami. So hopefully antabayanan yung susunod kong vlog. So hindi medyo mahaba to guys at wala nang time. So see you on my next vlog. Bye. Thank you.